This weird fangled doodly doo, my favorite laundry hack of all time. I'm gonna share this and 20 amazing laundry hacks that are gonna save you time. These laundry hacks are gonna be a little bit different. I'm not gonna show you the traditional TikTok, roll your pants into a burrito or pin your socks together so they don't get lost. Those hacks are amazing, but this is about laziness. I'm gonna show you how you can do less laundry and save time doing laundry. Let's jump in. Wanna save time? Stop sorting your laundry. I used to sort everything by colors because somebody told me that's the way you're supposed to do laundry. I have a red shirt, black pants, and a white sweater, all going in together. Don't worry, the colors aren't gonna run as long as everything's been washed before and you're washing on cold, you are good to go. Stop sorting, friends. The only thing I do actually sort out is towels and bedding because I like to wash them on hot to kill the germs. But to keep whites really nice and bright, if you do have towels or bedding, use a half a cup of baking soda, a half a cup of vinegar, or a half a cup of OxyClean. It will also make your towels super soft. Use dryer sheets. I hate them. They're like the bane of my existence. So I switched to wool dryer balls. I especially love these for sheets. You know when you wash your sheets and like the pillowcase gets trapped and it creates this little ball of wet gooness? This stops that from happening. If you are worried about static, I got to admit, these things kind of suck for static. So if it's something polyester or wool, these are terrible. This, though, you don't have to spend money on dryer sheets if you don't want to. You can use a cup of vinegar in the wash, but that can get pricey. But a ball of aluminum foam will 100% eliminate all the static in your dryer, and you can use the same ball up to 2 months, and it will not damage your clothes or the inside of your dryer. This hack I thought everybody did, but apparently not everyone does, and that is have a laundry hamper in every separate room so that you're not mixing clothes together. You don't have to sort. You just like wash right out of one basket, put it in the dryer, take it right to that person's room. This is pretty amazing, except now we have a laundry chute, which also is amazing, but now I have to sort. So here comes my next tip. If you are sorting clothes that are all mixed together, I like having big sorting baskets. So I sit on the floor and I kind of just chuck them into the baskets that nestle inside of each other. It doesn't take up a lot of space, but it makes sorting crazy fast. So ditch the piles and sort into baskets instead. If you're lazy like me, you know the smell that can happen when you put a wet rag in a laundry basket for a couple of days. It's dead body up in there, you know what I'm saying? Getting a mesh bag, just hang it somewhere in your laundry room, and anything that's wet, put it in here, and that way, no smell. Speaking of skank smells, this is literally my favorite thing that I've ever bought for a laundry hack. It's like a door prop from Amazon. It's wiry, and what it does on these front loaders is it keeps it so it's like closed enough you don't bang your leg on it when you walk by. You don't have to look at the inside, but it's never gonna have that mildew gross smell because it's always open enough to dry. If you want to prevent pilling, just turn your clothes inside out when you wash them. But if you already have your sweater has those little balls, just grab a razor and slowly shave it. Hold still, red sweater. This crazy works, you guys. Shave your clothes and all those little balls will be gone. No matter what your organizing style is, it should be really easy to get to your laundry room products. So I love having a tray and lots of jars, what's right here, easy to grab. The cabinet's just a little bit too far under the sink, it's inconvenient. Again, grab some jars, even a liquid laundry dispenser, make life easier. Of course, I labeled all my new bottles and jars. So cute! And I used my new Epson LabelWorks label maker. They sent it to me to try, and they sent me a ton of different types of labels. The thing I love most about this is that you can design your custom labels in the app. You can choose your fonts. They have so many different beautiful frames for you to choose from. You can really make the label of your dreams, and not just a basic white label either. There's a ton of different colors. There's metallic. There's also magnetic tape, so you can make a chore chart. It's really, the sky is the limit. And what's incredible is that they're a really small division of Epson, a global company. They only have about 30 employees in Wisconsin. So if you call for customer service, you're speaking to an actual person. And if you have a problem with the label maker, you send it back and they send you a new one. It has a lifetime warranty. Pretty incredible. I'm going to put a link down below and I'm going to pin it in a comment if you want to learn about this awesome Epson LabelWorks. A little over a year ago, I switched to using these like little sheets. 1/2 a sheet is 1 load of laundry. So you just toss it in like soap, it dissolves, it saves you money, it's way cheaper than Tide Pods, and I don't know, it saves space. It's just good. It's a good all around, but I still have Tide Pods for the skanky stuff. This isn't gonna tackle like deep down smell. You're gonna need some old school Tide for that. I love this thing. No, seriously, I love this lint bin. It wasn't expensive. I got it from Amazon and I'm really lazy. So I like that right here, it kind of reminds me, empty the lint bin, but also I don't have to walk to put it in the trash. And if I want to be a weirdo and make fire starters out of my lint, I can. Most of the time I throw it out, but every laundry room needs a lint bin and it's magnetic. It's awesome. Never ever, never ever put mismatched socks in your drawer because you're wasting time every morning looking for a mate. There's lots of tips that you can do. Buy the same color socks for the entire household. Pin them together. If you're lazy like me, a lost sock bin. You just pile them all together and then once a month you play the sock matching game. Get your family involved. It's fun. Person who finds the most matches wins. And if you find a match to make it extra fun, sing some lovey song while the long lost lovers come back together again. Let's get it on. Make it weird, friends. Anyways, this is how you deal with mismatched socks if you're lazy. If you're short on space, going with these collapsible laundry baskets with, handles is amazeballs because you can just hang them on hooks right on the wall or the back of the door and it's not like taking up your floor space. These are awesome. Another option if you're short on space and you just don't want to trip on laundry hampers, did you know they fit like a glove perfectly inside standard laundry room sinks? Like your utility sink will hold your laundry baskets. You never really use the thing. Why not use it for storage? One of the greatest laundry hacks of all time is also the simplest, and that's just use the delay wash on your washing machine. I always get inspired to do laundry before bed, but I can't wait for it. And then you got the skank problem, you know what I'm saying? So instead, I just load it up and I use the delay end so that it's done the next morning when I get up and I can just switch over the laundry. You can use this delay wash to really work with your schedule so that you never forget to do laundry. Putting away the clean clothes is hands down the hardest part. We procrastinate. What you need to do is habit stack. Habit stacking is the greatest tool to stop procrastination and to get motivated. And what it is you tie putting away a load of laundry to something you're already doing every day anyways. Every single night I have a bath. So while my bath is filling, I put away a load of laundry. Maybe for you, it's like you call your mom every day. While you're talking to your mom, put away a load of laundry. This is like 5 minutes a day, but tie it to something you already always do, and you are going to be amazed at how productive you are. This saves so much time. Every time you grab a hanger and you take your shirt off, put the hanger with your other hangers someplace in the closet. Grouping all your hangers together like this means when you're putting clothes away, you take the hangers to your clothes. So it's like bing, bang, boom, super fast. This is one of my favorite tips of all time. So I usually put away the laundry because I'm filling my bath, you know the whole thing. And Joe asked if while I put away his clothes, if I could possibly go from the bottom to not stretch out the neck. Of course, Joe, I will go from the bottom when putting away your laundry because little things, ladies, little things. Once you stop folding, there's no going back. So anything that it doesn't matter if it's wrinkly, like pajamas or camisoles, I don't fold. I just literally throw them in a drawer or a basket, and it makes putting away laundry so fast, like under 2 minutes to put away a load. The only stuff I hang are the things that I care if it gets wrinkly. And just like that, friends, laundry's done. If you do nothing else, I hope you do this final hack, and that is declutter. Declutter all the stuff that doesn't fit you, that doesn't make you look fabulous, because when you have less clothes, it's going to be easier to put away the laundry. It's going to be easier to wash and dry the laundry. Your entire life will be easier. So declutter some clothes today. I hope you like these quick laundry hacks. Let me know in the comments below if you have a laundry hack that has changed your life. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, what else can we hack for you? Thanks so much, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you guys so much for those of you who have stayed to the end. Happy Halloween. This is legit my favorite time of year. The coolness, the pumpkins, the adorable costumes. This year I made my family dress up as Beetlejuice. Last year we were Addams Family. Every year we go as a different like family theme. Everybody hates it but me. But this year, Beetlejuice was especially cool because we drove to a party that we had in full costume. So I had on the mask, and I'm just driving and I'm looking over at people who are in their cars and they're looking over at me wearing this mask, you know? And guess what? Nobody even reacted. Nobody. A lady's on her phone. You can see her talking, you know, hands free. She looks over. She sees me. She just looks back and continues on her conversation. Like, has the world got to the point where this face on someone while just driving a car down the road doesn't even get a second glance? Apparently so. We went into Kentucky Fried Chicken because I always bring a bucket of chicken to a potluck wearing this mask, full costumes. Nobody even batted an eye. It was, and this isn't on Halloween. This was a month ago. Just a random Thursday evening. We're up in here looking like weirdos. We're at a different time. Everyone's inclusive. Nobody's judging. Nobody's judging. It was actually really funny. I was hoping for a reaction. But anyways, I wanted to share that with you. Let me know what you're dressing up as. If you are dressing up, or your favorite costume that you've worn in the past. I'm curious, would love to know, especially ideas for next year because I'm running out. And I wanted to let you know that I passed my medical first responder course, both the written and the practical, with flying colors, might I add. So now I'm in it to save people. I'm here for it. I'm very excited. I'm going next week to my first event as a medical first responder that is certified to reach my hand in, grab a baby, suck it out, reset your femur if I have to, do the CPR. Sorry, I'm feeling fired up. Anyways, thank you guys so much, and I'll see you next time. I've missed you. Oh, you're my partner forever. Oh. This has gotten weird.
It just got weird.